Hello guys, welcome back to Asana Alternative Deals. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel because there are a lot of interesting videos upcoming. If you have a particular video request, you can let us know in the comment section. So I'm back with an amazing product called Nifty. This has to be one of the best products that I have reviewed so far. If you're looking for a project management tool, I don't think there is any better alternative than Nifty. It lets you organize, prioritize and manage tasks with a high level of detail. And the best part is all the tasks can be seen in a lot of different views such as Kanban view, list view, streamline view and so many other options. You can choose the one that seems the most friendly to you and your team. There are a lot of features in the Nifty project management app. For example, you can keep track of all your assignments, activities in one dashboard. You can filter tasks by due dates so you never miss a headline. And the best part is you can even automate your workflow by assigning users to entire task lists. And I don't think there are many software that has this feature. You can also set tasks to recur by date or status. You can even convert task list into milestones, which is amazing. There are some other features such as you can organize your task with custom tags. You can even use tasks, and as a bonus, Nifty even offers a time tracker, which has to be one of the unique features that a lot of other project management software do not have. Another thing that I really love about Nifty is that you can integrate a lot of your favorite apps such as Harvest, Webex, Zoom, Slack, GitHub and a lot of other tools. The integration options are really rich, and if you're already using a project management software such as Asana, Basecamp, ClickUp, Jira, surprisingly Nifty lets you import your data from those software to this one, which is simply amazing. A great news is Nifty is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So by paying only $79, you can get lifetime access to Nifty. If you want to buy the Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description, and you can get a good idea about the tool from these reviews. You can see how good these reviews are. Also from the Appsumo deal, it is going to save you a lot of money. The usual cost of Nifty is $1,400, but at Appsumo you are getting this amazing tool at only $79. And these are all the features that you will get from the Nifty Appsumo deal. So you can have unlimited projects, guests, clients. The workflow automation is 1000 per workspace every month. There are many more features such as discussion, team chat, milestone, tasks, doc and files, portfolios and a lot of other impressive features, and all of them are really useful if you are a project manager. There are a lot of different types of codes that are available in the Appsumo. The single code costs $79. And there can be 3 team members here. The storage is 100 GB. The double package costs $158. The team member limit is 6. The multiple package costs $237. The team member limit is 9. There are a lot of more codes. So let's see the maximum code. So the cost of 10 codes is $790. There can be a lot of team members, which is 30. And the storage space is also massive, which is 2 TB. If you want to buy Nifty on a subscription plan, you can also do that. There is a free plan, so you can try this software for free. The starter plan costs $39. The pro plan costs $79. The business costs $124 and the unlimited costs $399. Keep in mind that all of these prices are monthly basis and they are billed annually, and these are all the features. Once you log into Nifty, you will get a page like this. From here you have to create your own workspace. So let me create mine. So I'm going to name my workspace sales, and you can get a custom URL for your workspace, which is another impressive feature. So let's create a new workspace. So as you can see, now we are in the dashboard of Nifty, and to be honest, this is a pretty clean dashboard. It also looks very user friendly. All of the sections, all of the categories are divided in a very organized way. So the first thing you want to do is go to this tab and then click on this plus icon. From here you have to create a project, and in that project you have to do all of your work such as creating tasks and all that. So let's create a project. So I'm going to name my project project 1, and then you can select the view of your project. So it could be Kanban, list, calendar. I always find Kanban to be most user friendly, so I'm going to choose this one. You can make your project public to general users. You can also make it private, so I'm going to make it public. So here is the project that I just created, and now you can start using Nifty in the best manner. So there are a lot of things you can do in the project. Let's start with the first one. So this is the dashboard of my project, and this is me. So I can add a lot of other members to this project, and let me add another one. So as you can see, I have added another member called John, and you can add as many members as you want from this option. So after you have added all your team members, you have to go to the next section, which is the most interesting section of Nifty. Here you can create a roadmap of all the milestones of all the future plans that you will have to achieve. So let me add a milestone. So I'm going to name the milestone YouTube video and then add a description. So this should be the description of my milestone. It is about a YouTube video, and particularly I have to create, or my team have to create, a video on Nifty, a full tutorial about Nifty. So it starts today and it is going to end on 25th March. I can hide it from guests or members. I can also select the dependency of milestone. So once all the settings are done, just click on create, and as you can see, the milestone has been created and you can already see the date is marked. So the interesting part here is you can add tasks to complete this milestone. So what I actually need to create a YouTube video about Nifty. So first I have to write a script. Let's add this task, write a script, and then press enter, and then I have to shoot the video. So shoot a video. So this is another task, and the last part is I have to edit the video. So let's also add this task. So these are the 3 tasks that I need to complete to achieve this milestone, which is YouTube video. So I'm going to close the task tab. So suppose all of those tasks are complete one by one. So the first task is write a script, and it has been completed, suppose. So I have to mark this sign icon, and as you can see, the milestone is 33% completed because I have completed one task. Now let's also open this task and also click on the sign icon. So it is also completed. So as you can see, the milestone is 67% completed, and it is only one task away from being fully completed. So also let's open it and then complete it. So as you can see, the milestone is finally 100% completed. So in the same way, you can add a lot of milestone based on the date, based on the description, and then you can add a lot different types of tasks to the milestone to complete it. The next tab on the project is tasks. So you can add different types of tasks in here, and there is already one status, so it is to do, which means all the tasks that are still not completed will appear in here. So I can add some other statuses, for example review. So after a task has been completed, someone has to review it, one of my team members. So for that, this is the status, and once the review is completed, the task is fully complete. So I'm going to create another status called completed. Now let's add a task. So again, I'm going to type creating a video on YouTube. So this is the task, and for example, the video has been properly created, so it needs review. Then I can simply drag it to the review, and once the review phase is complete and the video is ready to be published, I can simply drag this task to this section. So this is a very easy thing to do, and even for a beginner, managing this platform is not going to be tough at all. From these 3 dots, you can also make a lot of different types of adjustment to tasks, such as adding tag, moving it, and a lot of other options. The next tab on Nifty's project is calendar. So from here you can schedule a task. So the previous section was about unscheduled tasks. As you can see, all those tasks are appearing on the right side. But from this calendar menu, you can schedule a task in advance. For example, I have to schedule a task for March 31. So I have to click on this date and then give a task name. So it should be edit the video, and then you have to add a description. You can select the project where the task is going to land. You can also select the category of the task or the status. So it could be to do, review, completed. These are all the statuses that we have just made. So I'm going to select to do, and obviously this is the due date which we chose earlier. If the task is high priority, you can add it on the top of the list by enabling this sign, and then you have to assign one of your team members to do this task, because obviously it is scheduled, so you have to assign someone to do this. For that, you have to click on here, and then I can click on my name or my other team member, and then simply click on add a task. So as you can see, the task has been successfully added. And here are all the details of the task. You can add a lot of different things to the task. If the person who has been assigned to this task want to ask any question, you can simply do that from this chat section. There are a lot of things you can do in the chat, such as send voice recording, send emoji. You can also even upload files here. And if you have a lot of member and you need to mention a particular member, you can simply type a @ and you can see all of your members will appear, and then you can mention that particular member. The next tab on Nifty is discussions. So this is very similar to public chat. So all of your members of this project 1 can chat here. They can post a message, they can upload files. You can also change the privacy setting of this chat tab. There are some other options such as sending voice messages, sending GIFs or emojis. So let me send a message, hello, and then add an emoji. So as you can see, my message has been delivered. Now let's visit the next tab, which is docs. This has to be another favorite feature of mine. It lets you create document from this dashboard, and if you want you can integrate Google document, Google spreadsheet, or even Google presentation. But if you do not want to go through all those hassle of integrating other software, you can simply create a Nifty document, which is a document software of Nifty. So let me create one. You can also select the privacy setting for your doc. So I'm going to create it. And then you can type what the doc is all about. You can also add different types of pages. You can even format your text, which I really like because a document should be like this. So let's go back to the dashboard, and then there is the file section. So from here you can upload a lot of different types of file. There is no limitation for the format. To centralize your project, you can upload all your assets in this section. And the last feature is definitely a good one. It comes last does not mean that it is something to be overlooked. It is perhaps the most wanted feature, which is automation. So from here you can do a lot of different types of automations, such as a response is received and then save without automation, a response is received, create a task. So there are a lot of different types of automations that you can do from here. And the best part is you can even create your own automation, which is simply amazing. There is also Jira integration, which I know a lot of people are going to find useful. So these were all the features that you will find on the project section of Nifty, and you can create multiple projects from here. There is also a chat option, which is without project. From here you can invite people and then chat here. And as for the other options, so there are some other options such as overview. So you can get a overview of all your projects tasks from here. You can see the workloads of each member in your team from here. This is the calendar. You can see all of your tasks from here, and you can see all the tasks that you have done from here. So as you have seen, Nifty is an amazing tool. It has to be one of the best all-in-one project management software. In a single platform, it lets you communicate, collaborate, and manage all your projects. And there are a lot of useful features that will help all of your team members to stay in the same page. Nifty is a great alternative to Asana, ClickUp, and Jira. And as you can see, it is best for marketers, project managers, and remote teams. And all these amazing features are available at a very affordable price of $79. So for the link of this Appsumo deal, you have to check our description box. You will find the link in there. As for the features, these are all the features that are available with the Appsumo deal. Personally, I think these features are enough if you want to manage all your projects in one single dashboard. And there are a lot of codes in the Appsumo. You can buy the one that fits your team the most. If you have a small team such as 3 members or 6 members, a single package of $79 or double codes of $158 would be great. And if you have a really big team such as 30 team members, you can purchase 10 codes, which is going to cost $790, but the team member and the storage space limit is huge. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you do, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Let me know what you think about Nifty and if you have ever used it, and if you think if there are any better alternatives, because I cannot seem to find any. We will get back to you with another video very soon, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.